Just received my purchase. Let's see what is in the box. Charging cable, instructions manual and mounting equipment. Snap it to the mounting strap. Let's attach it to my bike.
Left signal. Right signal. Hazard signal. Brake light. Flickering light. There are a few flickering lights. You can apply the brake light while it's flickering. Let's take a look at all the signal lights again. Pretty cool, right? I love it. You can get yours too. Click the link at the description to purchase now. Finally, ride safe and stay vigilant. Have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel.